Hey folks, welcome to another stinking awesome adventure from Bobo Outdoors. I went and bought a mystery type overstock bass fishing tackle package or something for 15 bucks. With shipping it was like 22 or 23. Thought maybe I'd open it, see what I got, if anything's worth what I paid. If I got a deal or if someone unloaded a bunch of garbage on me. Alright. What do we have first? Ooh, looks like a hat. Is that loud enough? Well, geez, that's not all bad. I'll tell you right there, it's worth the price of admission. So we got a fishing hat and some really loud crinkly paper. Oh, that's why it hurt. It had cardboard in there. Alright. I like that hat a lot. You never have too many fishing hats. So we got a hat. We got, maybe I should put glasses on. Black swamp lures, cluster crank, shed ball. Don't, well, I don't know if you can, I had it down there, you can see the color. Okay, it kind of looks like maybe some bait fish running together. That's kind of interesting. I'm looking forward to trying that out. Excuse me. Black swamp lures, cluster crank, floral ball. I don't know if you guys can see that in there, but because the sticker's right in the way. But they look like just a bunch of bait fish swimming together. Gordon. And the crankbait. Gordon's crankbait. Looks like it might be a Papa Larry tie guy. Papa Swamp Wars. This looks like a frog. Okay, black or purplish black bottom frog. Camper life, man, it's dark in here. It's a crazy colored frog. I've never seen a purple frog. But give it a try. Another Gordon's. Another crankbait. Okay, some kind of rattle accessories, and I don't know if you put them on with a jig. To look into those a little bit more. See what those are. Another package of them. Excuse me. Hoax fish, scam shad. Blue's quite a color. I don't know about that. a 1/2 ounce. Looks like a chatterbait. That's a big one. Little jig head, swamp crawler, big neck, swamp crawler, big neck. Another little crankbait. Black swamp lures. PLS trap, Snow White. Let's see that one. Is that like a rattle trap? Another Gordon crankbait. Well, these look good. Leader lures. JSM fishing, 6 pieces. 10 centimeter. But the color green with a red fleck looks good to me. Another crankbait. And we got another one. It's from the boot. Another crank. Another jig head. More rattlers. Another crankbait. Some leader lures. JSM. Those look pretty good too. It's almost like a root beer color. Oh, nice. This is a Hypo Twist Weston, but it looks a lot like a Whopper Plopper. Interesting color. And this, hard to tell, but it's got an extra tail with it. Zoom. Salty Super Fluke. White Pearl Chart, 10-pack. Some Zoom lures. Chase baits. Inspired by the Chase sticker. And, oh nice, little eyewear retainer. Band to go around your neck and around your sunglasses or readers or whatever you need. Well, folks, that's it. That's the end of the box. Not counting the sticker, the mission hat. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 different pieces plus a bumper sticker. I'll look up those rattlers and see what those are used for, and I'll try and find some of these baits and stuff online, and just give you guys a price idea of what all this is together. You know, the hooks, they through the plastic, they feel razor sharp. I don't know how strong they are, but you know, for the $22 or $23 I spent, now I'm really jonesing for spring because I want to get out in my kayak and fish. But anyways, I'll look up some prices and I'll look up what these things are. You guys can comment down below, let me know if I don't find anything, or maybe it just take putting glasses on and trying to read the back. But I'll get back to you with that stuff. I'm pretty pumped up about this. This was fun. It came. I wasn't supposed to be here till Wednesday, and it came this weekend. Today's Sunday, so it probably came yesterday or something. So delivery time was excellent also. I'll get back with you. Hey folks, welcome back. I went through this stuff, tried to look stuff up. I had a little bit of a hard time finding these Gorgon baits. They're really big and light, but anyways, price-wise, oh, excuse me, I don't know why I should be yawning. Price-wise, I figured $3 a piece on these from everything I could see. I mean, they were anywhere from $1.29 a piece, but they all had shipping with them. But 7 of these at $3 a piece is $21 on those. Now this Weston Hypo Twist Whopper Plopper. This is a crazy shad, or crazy bluegill, I think the color was. It's on Carl's Club. It's 9 something for members. What was it, 14 for non-members? So I just wrote down $10 just to be fair and, you know, not highball give everything a high price. These baits, I couldn't find all of them exactly. These rubber worms, the zooms, they were like $3 a bag. These leader lures, I couldn't find anything about them, but I figured $3 a bag. And the hoax fish scam shad, those came up at like $3 a bag. So 4 bags, $12. These little things here, these rattlers, they go on a, put them over the hook or the jig, give a little extra rattle. 2 to a package, 5 packages, $1.20 a package. So it's at $6 there. This Lunker Hunt, that was $3. $3 jig head or rattler, half ounce. That's a hefty one. Let's see, these were the swamp crawler. Those are $2 a piece, so there's $4 there. Jig rattler. No, I'm sorry, not a jig rattler. This was the rattle trap. $4. These bait cluster cranks. Well, no wonder I took my glasses off. No wonder I can't see anything. Cluster cranks, $6 a piece, so there's $12 there. This big Larry frog, Papa Larry, $5.50. Was that everything? Jig rattlers. Oh, and then the hat and the glasses holder. So the hat, list for $20 is on sale for $13. The glasses holder was like $8, with a grand total of $98.50. And I spent, you know, like $23 with shipping. It was a $15 box and then paid shipping on top of it. So I'm really impressed. I don't know, you know, how much of this stuff I'll actually be able to use. I'm really looking forward to trying out these cluster cranks. I wanted to get one of the bait balls for a while, and really this is kind of the same deal. Just not as big of a presentation, but looking forward to trying that out, and obviously some of the other stuff, everything. But anyways, thanks for checking out my videos. Please like and subscribe, share, and look forward to weather being warm enough to try this stuff out. Remember, respect it. Thank you.